tu akan dia dalam way tu semat dengan ïakhun tu. Haba ngalong hakmat na kali ni ba kung bakaray kapat ma ikuay nga bang yung dipi mabay pa ila yung susil na din bagay dipi.
Kalau soskan saya hidup masa ini
Kumukasi nasoka nasutanat nasukumen pangandon bentalang bakasang dulu.
dia bagi dan kesadupi
Gamday u kandidat balaji kun mena-mena apin ang mga kinukasan ng jonga. Nray kung mga iyang hanging na iyang bakasur jadi paiba. Mga ngets kem gitu di paiba palawan cepat siyeng. Bawan dan ongnya banyak kun. Dan safety kali ang ngets kem begitu dan kap.
kita kan orang berhenti kita kan orang berhenti
Sa sikatangan ko. Tapi itu ini din. Magkonstitusi ini kanang kabahe nang bagi ipatchong siya ng konstitusi mokta bulan kelang isang bang. Apa apa itu ini dia mengenai Eugeneson ndo kung jeng ba dari kaskisun dia ini pakai ngalong player football kalau juga kaya di klub lokal dari India padahal juga kaya na hari itu. Laju yo kesenam lokal player. Malayo kesenam player contohnya betul ka ajar persan. Bagaya kalau mau rim. Aqua ya kalau baik. Andal ye benong dia inti contoh contoh.
Ba Eugene, entah bila buat ika dinjat dari kepa. Harap ko ISL.
Ngam try nganyo akalat bangan ikut football show. Si mga asim ngani kam. Makakam siya pa ba kam dek basuk kam dek bala ngan lakay. Banong man lawan insting naman ta ka imlang masalang kipay ba kita nga asim ti kani kambal ka football ngara ang sama
Kebut rapi sajet, kebut pin wak nak.
ya abia
Just tell us how you feeling after filing a nomination. Introduce me.
Okay. My name is Eugeneson son of late Eugeneson, member of Moplan constituency. I just filed my nominations and I'm representing the people of Meghalaya Moplan constituency from the UDP party.
Your father was independent. Your father.
Okay. About myself,
Yeah.
I was a football player. I played for various clubs in India. I've been champion of India. And I've been also the IFF Player of the Year in 2015, represented the country as well. And now I begin my career as a politician. That's all right.
Your father was an independent candidate. What made you take this decision to run from UDP?
Like I said earlier, it was the people's choice, it was the people's voice that they wanted me to represent the UDP.
don't you feel the decision would have been better to contest as independent rather than as UDP rather than an UDP ticket considering that NDA government has severe allegations of corruption against the present government?
I stand here because the people wanted me here. I listened to the people, they wanted me to stand from UDP, irrespective of what may be going on in the government. I stand here as a UDP candidate on the basis of the voice of the people in my constituency.
Will you still be playing football now that you are running for election?
I don't think I can juggle two professions at the same time. I want to focus on one profession and try to do my best.
How much percentage would you achieve if you think